Grigley, and we are at the grand opening of the Segundo-Wiseburn Aquatics Center. So let's get ready, dive in! The brand new Segundo Aquatics Center is creating a lot of excitement in the city. This new facility will bring many opportunities to learn, practice, play, and compete in a beautiful new state-of-the-art Olympic-sized pool.
I'm stoked. I'm so excited. We've been waiting a while for this, and being from El Segundo as well, I've been waiting a long, long time for this to happen. So we're just couldn't be more excited.
It's a great turnout, and you see it in everyone's faces. They can't believe it. When you're out here and you look at the facility, it's just incredible.
The uniqueness of this outdoor pool has the entire South Bay buzzing about the opportunities it will bring.
Well, there's no real aquatic center like this in the South Bay. And when you think of where we are, our proximity to LAX and our ability to be somewhat of a magnet, host large events, with the Olympics coming in a few years, this being right here near all these hotels, and it's just fantastic.
It's really great to see a brand new facility come into our community. It's been, I don't know how many years it's been since we've seen something like this in our area. And it's great that now we have a new place to work out and do our normal routine.
Well, I just think it's great that we were able to work this out between the city and the Wiseburn Unified School District for the benefit of all. This is a resource that's desperately needed here in the South Bay region. There's never enough pools, enough baseball diamonds, enough courts for all the people who want to participate in different sports.
The Segundo-Wiseburn Aquatics Center even has the businesses and schools excited about this grand opening.
It's a game changer for every business that's here, all the schools. The gains aren't just from the kids that are going to be in the pool, the swimmers, or the health benefits from the public that'll be here. It's just one more beautiful amenity that keeps people here and keeps people wanting to come to El Segundo. It's a game changer for everyone.
There were plenty of festivities and a ton of enthusiasm throughout the day by everyone.
We've actually been having a lot of fun. There's so many activities that you can do, and it's just infinite fun.
We have music, we have games. As you can see, we have the water slide out back. We have different people doing lap swim and free swim today. And we have a lot of giveaways, water bottles. So that's been awesome. It's just a fun day for the community to come out and play, see what the pool is all about, see what amenities we have here. Even look at the locker rooms, because that's important to some people. Where can I change? What space do they have for me? So it was just an open, let's peek at the pool type of thing.
The pool looks great. It's got all the requirements, 50 meters long, 25 across. It has the bulkhead in the middle, so you could kind of adjust it for different distances. And it looks like it can really accommodate quite a few swimmers.
This is way better. The fact that it's outdoors, with floating goals, much more state-of-the-art equipment. It's the whole design and just seeing it is makes it exciting.
Well, not only in water polo, but also as a swimmer too. To see us use more than just 6 lanes is also can be more of a benefit, because now we can host CIF not only water polo games but also league and CIF swim meets here.
I'm so happy with how many people are here despite the frigid 60-degree temperatures. I just couldn't be happier, and I can tell people are coming in as we go.
It has taken over 15 years for this concept of a pool and facility to become a reality, and the community is ecstatic to what the future holds.
The future of the Aquatic Center, I think, is still to be written. We're really excited just to have groups start swimming and fill the pool as much as we can.
I think this is going to be really successful. I think as time goes on and more people hear about it, you're going to see a lot of people coming out, enjoying the new facility and taking advantage of what this place has to offer.
It's just a nice legacy to leave to the future.
It's been an exciting, successful, crowded, and most importantly, fun day here for the grand opening of the El Segundo-Wiseburn Aquatics Center. For El Segundo TV, I'm Emily Grigley.